Say hello to an entirely new way of cleaning roofs, 21st century style. Introducing the Cleaning Doctor Mossmaster Ultimate Roof Cleaning System, an ingenious yet simple system that safely and effectively removes unsightly and damaging moss from roofs without the use of pressurized water or aggressive roof scraping techniques. Mossmaster can clean all types of roof surfaces and tiles, for example, concrete, clay, slate, all types, including the man-made fibre slates, etc. Of course, it can clean much more than tiles. Cleaning Doctor offers a number of different cleaning programs that's tailored to safely and effectively solve your roof cleaning problems. The Mossmaster system means 98% of the time operators never have to walk on your roof, eliminating the risks of broken tiles and falls. Mossmaster uses pressurized air instead of water, completely eliminating the risk of water getting into your roof area and damaging it. Pressurized air can clean deeper and safer than water, as it can penetrate into difficult to reach joints and crevices without the risk of water leaking in and causing damage. Mossmaster leaves no piles of wet moss on your property. After removal, dry moss is cleaned up quickly and easily. There is less mess, no fuss, and certainly no moss. For customers, it's a game-changing cleaning process.